Hello and welcome to my video. What does like and subscribe mean on YouTube? By the end of this video, you're going to know what each of them mean and when to use them. Like and subscribe, like and subscribe. You hear it all the time on YouTube, right? But what does it mean? And what's the difference? When do you use either? Let's begin with what's a like. You can see that while you're watching a video, there's a little thumbs up button down in the lower right of the video. Click this to give the video a like. Now, clicking a like, what does it do? It shows support for the video. It tells YouTube you want more like this, so YouTube will select more videos like this and place it on your main page in your subscription feed. It benefits the subscriber by telling YouTube to display this video more often. Now, if you learn something, liking is the fastest way to say, more of this, please. So like videos that were good and you want to see more like. Now, what's a subscribe? Here you can see the subscribe button is in the lower left-hand corner of the video screen. Now, what does subscribing do? Clicking subscribe shows support for the channel and the creator. It adds the channel to your subscriptions feed. Remember, your subscriptions feed is this bar over on the right here where you see just fans of things that you subscribe to and other videos that YouTube selects. And it benefits the creator by generating more viewing hours. You'll see more videos, and since you like the last one, you might watch the next one. That gets more viewing hours, which translates to dollars for the creator and the channel. Now, like and subscribe. When do you use each? And what are the differences again? Click like if you learned something and if you want more videos like it recommended to you by YouTube. Click subscribe if you want more videos from that creator and channel. So you can see subscribe is much broader. Like refers to a single video, whereas subscribe refers to an entire channel, and that can be summarized as like supports the video and subscribe supports the channel. So that's the basic difference. And I'd like to leave you with just one last message. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.